How to appear offline on Messenger even when you are online. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now then go to settings. Now tap on the source icon. Now type active status. Now click on search. Now tap on active status. Now simply turn off this toggle. Then go back to the home screen and open up Messenger on a device. Now tap on menu at the bottom right corner. Now go to settings. Now tap on active status. Again turn off the toggle and tap on pause. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.